Hello, my name is Swain and this project is based on beginner level. The name of this project is Chocolate Vending Machine. So the components which I have used are two servo motors and a race robot which consists of a Bluetooth board, four motors and four wheels. So now we'll see the working. Then after giving the chocolates, it can go and serve them. And when the chocolates get over in the tray, it can again fill the chocolates in the same way it did before. Thank you.